Hello, good night, good evening. I'll try to explain it as briefly as possible. However, it was a long and there were a lot of detailed inside this assignment. I will explain the details because I used a different desktop. This is my MobaXterm desktop, which I have used before, and I can easily follow many steps, many informations. As you can see, for example, you can see my folder, my directory. It's so useful, and if you want to use sections, you can follow. For example, Fedora is also here. Yes, why I'm using this platform. And SSL server is running with a Linux operating system, and I will connect it with SSL client. And my SSL client is MobaXterm. Yes, this is important. I entered with username and username with here. Yes, I entered the Ubuntu username and the IP information and the port. I clicked this and to connect them. Then I created, where is it? Antivirus. Yes, I created a special folder for the given assignment, and I wrote 2 scripts under this folder, and I want to see this all of them. Yes, first change directory, antivirus. Okay, then I will look. Yes, scanning SH installation SH. There were 2 different scripts under the antivirus folder, and they are in my home directory. First script is installation SH, and this one is for installing packages. And if I want to read it, I can use cat installation directory. Yes, there are a lot of commandos inside this script, as you can see here, and this is antivirus application I specified. And the first line, I use shebang and indicates the shell in which this script will be executed. And the second line, the updates the system packages. And the third line, there are 2 CLAMO and the CLAMO daemon, 2 packages. These are the installs, the packages for the antivirus software that called claim AV. It's free. Then if it starts automatically, I stopped it, and in the background I run the fresh version so that it can pull the virus definitions for the existing virus from the cloud. And after updating its internal database and updating it, I remove this virus script locally from the operating system startup queue, and start and enable command. I also use this command to ensure it stays alive after restarting Ubuntu, and which I call the boot save command. And the last line is the version. I print the CLI version of the ClamScan client, our virus application. I have already run it, so I won't run it now. I have this package installed. Then I will open my second script. In my second script, I developed shebang script for scanning. That is for virus scanning, and I will read. Yes, I will read with this commando inside the all these script. As you can see, the first line is again shebang. I can specify scan specify the scan directory. I would have used this as an argument for our script, but I initially specified a fixed directory here. Fixed directory to understand how the program works, and I call /home because this application this application would scan every time, and I kept it only in /home. Then in the assignment we were asked to report the results of this scanning. These reports are currently under the /tmp on the system, and extensions for the day and with the timestamp extensions for the day and time it was generated, it also included, and I created this as a file naming extensions. These are, and here I have commandos to provide user facing information on the screen while the script is running. Next, I update the virus internal database, which fresh clone. Then I actually start the scanning process in the specified scan directory here using the clam scan feature, and then in the specified scan directory using the clam scan feature provided by this virus application. As a result of this process, the clam scan program will go to /home and perform the scanning. The report will then be sent to the report file. Report file tmp and clam scan report, this part, and run it on whatever date here that day is. I can show you the program I run before under tmp, and I will also show you. I currently have a report here, and I will show you. Yes, I currently have a report, and if we need to read it, I can read it in full with ls lrt/tmp. tmp. Yes, it's working. Yes, this is my last report at 2:40 right now, and this one is my report, and I want to show you with cat min with my last this one is a little bit difficult, but no, it's not work, of course. Yes, I will continue. I wrote the wrong commando, then I fixed it. As you can see, I run my program. Yes, and it looked at the folder number, the file number, how many file scanned, but found no malicious files. Here's the information about how much data processed and include when it started and when ended, as you can see here. Yes, with this commando, yeah, in this homework they were given for this program, run regularly every day. That's the last and the important part. And we also know this in Linux operating system, for a specific program to run regularly, all these scripts needs to be added with the cron tab. Yes, this commando. So of course I did this with the cron tab. So yes, as you can see in roots cron tab here, this cron tab runs at 1 a.m. every day. And of course, my Ubuntu operating system isn't open every day, every time, and my computer isn't either. If my this operation were open every day, I will see this run under TMP folder at 1 a.m. and every day. This one is important part. And as an example, I'll run the same commando, then I will and the last step in this area, as an example, this is my example. I'll run the same commando so I can demonstrate to you in a live broadcast that the program is working with sudo bin sudo slash bin bash space my home, my Arda Antivirus, and then scanning sh. Yes, as in this one is the example. As you can see, the executing time is added to here, end of the file as this stamp type here. Yes, all of them, and update virus definitions also appendix. And right now it's working, and it takes time. Of course, I will stop my video, then I will show you again. And this part is the last one. As you can see, it's still updating virus definition. It takes time because there are two different servers are included, and my computer is dead. So it will it was worked. Then in last step I go and check this process in the system, and I opened another tab, and there my program is called, yeah, our program is called clam scan. So in this part I write it down, this this commando space grab them clam. Yes, it's then the grab clam command. As you can see, the antivirus system is currently running, and in the background for scanning, and I triggered it manually. Because the cron has a specific time, 1 a.m. I set it to 1 a.m. and I have run it manually here to show you if it's working. Yeah, it takes too long time, around 15 minutes. But so sorry, I spent a lot of hours, so 15 minutes is, I think, not too long for me. And thanks for listening and for your time. Bye bye.